Matt Selmsberger. How I got to clinch, I saw that when I was in freshman year of high school, about 6 years ago, 7 years ago, I decided to pursue MMA and martial arts. So I started looking around Frederick area for places, and I found this kind of hole in the wall looking place, very first clinch, and I decided to give it a shot. And ever since I started there, I learned a lot of good stuff from everyone else who trained here. Ever since I stepped foot from day one, it's been nothing but awesome. Valuable lesson I've learned here is taking a weakness and making it a strength. Lucas always talking about, if you get submitted from something, learn from it. If you get submitted by something else, learn from it. Just basically taking your mistakes you make and learning from it. When a lot of people would see weakness in their game, maybe get down on themselves, he encourages us to take those weaknesses and turn them into strengths. So it's a very valuable lesson that I've taken from it here and I've applied it to everyday life. So. What's great about Clinch Academy is you can come in and not know anyone, and everyone here is going to be real cool to you. It doesn't matter, where you're coming from. It's your first day. You've been here for a couple of years. Everyone gets treated the same. You're not pushed to do anything you don't want to do. It's very open-armed kind of establishment. And if I had any advice for people who are looking for an MMA gym, whether you're coming in here with aspirations to go to UFC one day, or if you're just coming in just to learn some self-defense, it's an overall great place to train. Whatever you're looking for, Clinch has it. You should definitely get it.